Yeah. Have you lay down here. And what's been going on? How's the back doing?
Pretty good.
We had a lot of tightness like through here and stuff, right? Has that been doing better?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so you can still feel that muscle right there, right?
Yep.
Been doing like foam rolling or anything?
Yep.
Okay, you can keep it up. You got that spot right there. I know that hurts, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Let me check over here. Yeah, you got some tight spots. Still working out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There we go. And let's check here. Let's have you lay this side up here facing me. When do you guys start school then? Here.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. I see that arm right there. Okay, here we go. There we go, just like that. Oh, okay. Yes, that's it right there. Come over this other side. Just like that. Let's come on down. Let's see, keep that bottom leg straight. I'll roll you over here. That's it. Okay, lay on your back. Let's check here. Your neck is stiff. All right, let's do that. How's that feeling?
Good.
Feeling better?
Good.
All right, let's do that. And then we'll get you in here to